How can we achieve fully automatic high-speed sealing for hot pot dipping sauce containers and condiment jars? Fully automatic can sealing machine designed specifically for small cans, offering double the efficiency. The sealing process is precise and fast without damaging the delicate container. Perfectly compatible with high-speed filling lines, it significantly increases production capacity. And is a powerful tool for the large-scale production of condiments and dipping sauces. The seal is smooth and tight, locking in the aroma of the oil.